Hello, my name is Julie Kinn. This is my husband Josh, and we are the band Kinnfolk. We are here at USA Kilts today to show you how I wear my Earasaid when I am performing on stage. So first off, what is an Earasaid, or Arisaid, as some people may pronounce it? It's a large bolt of fabric. It's pretty simple. It's fabric and a belt. As you can see, mine here is about 2.5 yards long and 56 inches wide. Your length might vary depending on how tall you are, how much you weigh. Just so you know, I am 5'4" and I weigh 120 pounds, give or take. So, first step, you get it around your shoulders like this. You find your two fringed corners, and I hold them up like this. This is a great method if you have somebody who can assist you, or maybe you don't have enough room to put your Arisaid out on the ground. Frankly, Josh is just excellent at putting on his great kilt, so he knows what he's doing here. See, he already has the belt on. It's slightly above my hips. It's at my natural waist, so the Arisaid can be a bit heavy. So get it where it's comfortable, and then you drop this upper layer. And that's really what the Arisaid is. It's just attached to me by this belt, so make sure you have a nice strong belt. You don't want any mistakes happening. And once you have it on like this, it's really a matter of what Josh is doing here. You're gonna pull on the fabric around to get it how you like it. Personally, I like to have my fabric kind of open in the front. I'll wear a nice underskirt that I want to have displayed underneath the Arisaid. Does it look good? Yes, this is another reason to have a good helper. He's confirmed that it's good from the front and from the back. And so I frequently will add a sporran. Oh, you finish off the belt, but I'll add a sporran here, just kind of put it underneath this top layer. You can wear right there. And if you're like me, you always love to show people that you are wearing your rain gear. If you get the top layer long enough, it can go over your head and protect you from sudden showers, which is a wonderful feature of the garment. And if you're cold, you can buckle it with a brooch. If you find your arms first, would my helper help?
Of course.
He has such good taste. Do you style your Earasaid differently? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to check out our music, we are here on YouTube at the profile Kinnfolk. At the profile is a weird thing to say.
Channel.
Channel! Our music channel here on YouTube is called Kinnfolk. Did you know?
I did.
You're scared, Josh.
We're called Kinnfolk with 2 N's.
Should have seen the daggers that were in her eyes just now.